If you are confused, if you have anxiety about setting up irrigation in your garden beds, this product is for you.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic.
Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. My name is Nardia and I am in Northwest Ohio, Zone 6B. In this video, I plan to set up my garden soaker hose. My garden sprinkler. What do they call this thing? Where's my phone? It's like a garden sprinkler hose. I think that's the name of it, the garden sprinkler hose. I currently water the front yard and the backyard of my house by hand. It takes me a while, but everything gets watered by hand, and it is very time consuming. My plan is to hand off the front yard gardening to something that can be done without me standing there. Basically, I want to be able to just turn the pipe on, let it water itself, and I can be doing something else. Because right now, to water the front and the backyard takes me about an hour, sometimes an hour and a half. I know it sounds like a lot, but I take my time because I have the floral beds, I have the vegetable water beds, I have the garden, the different beds, and then the front yard is another good sized space. So we're working smarter, not harder this year. I don't know much about drip irrigation. That was my first option that I was going to set up in the front yard, but I don't know if I wanted to tackle that this year. And then when I looked up videos about drip irrigation, the way the confusion was just confusing and maybe it's just me. I heard once you get it started, it's not as hard as it seems, but it was just, the confusion was just confusing me. So I stumbled upon another video where this gentleman installed a drip hose into his garden bed. Now, it's not the same as a soaker hose. This one is a little bit different. It's a flat hose and it has holes, and if you turn it upward, the holes upward, it will spray water mist upwards in the air around the plants, and if you put the holes downward, it will drip the water into the garden. I plan to face it upwards, or should I do downwards? I don't know. I thought upwards because I want to see how effective it is. Upwards. We're going to do upwards. Forget that. We're going to do upwards because I want to see to make sure it is really working. Because if I do it downwards, I won't be able to tell if the entire length of the hose is, pumping out the water. So we're doing upwards. So I got the products from Amazon. I will link them below if you guys are interested. I wasn't sure if I needed the 100-foot or the 175-foot. Now I could have easily went and measured my garden, but I didn't. Okay, I didn't do that. I know 100-foot will be good in one direction, but I wanted to wrap around so that it covers the plants in the back of the bed and the front of the bed. So I think 150-foot is what I should use, but the 100-foot was cheaper, and I'm all about saving money this year. We'll see. Whichever one I don't use, I will be returning back to Amazon. Next thing is, my front yard is kind of noisy. I do live on a busy street. Well, not busy, but it's on a main street, so sometimes it will get noisy with cars. So I might not be able to talk you through the process. I might just show me setting it up and then talk after, or do a voiceover. We'll see. It also just rained here, so the ground is a little bit wet. But it's such a beautiful landscape when the ground is wet. I love the way the plants look when the ground is wet, or when it just rained. Enough talking for now. Let me set up this sprinkler hose. I think I sprinkle it. What's it called? I know the name. I sprinkler hose now. I left my phone inside, so I know I'm going to have the phone again and then start over again. So I'll just put the name on the screen. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But the name I'm going to right here. So I'm just going to open the box. This is the 150 feet. I mean, the 100 feet is less, but I really think 150 feet is the best one. So, but let me open the box nicely so that if I have to return it, I have a good box to return it in. Did I bring a box cutter out here? No, I did not. I just ran out here because the rain stopped and I wanted to get this done today. You guys are inside my gazebo with me, by the way. I finally cleaned out the gazebo, y'all. So you guys are in here. Welcome to the gazebo. And this is what it looks like. And I have two of them. So this is a 75 foot and 75 foot. So two, 150. It also comes with stakes for you to stake it down in the ground. And what else? I guess caps to cap off the hose so the water doesn't leak out. So it comes with a good amount of stakes. And where are the holes? I'm trying to see the holes where the water would come out. Anyway, let's go set this up in the garden and see how it goes.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire, clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender, Provence weather, evening walks, the fireflies with the twinkling of secrets, whispering sprinklers, bare feet, fingers running through vineyards. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fine, divine.
This is how it's looking. I have to talk fast because the cars are about to come. But this is how it's looking all the way down the garden bed. And I also brought it all the way around to the side. Now, a moment of truth. We're gonna try it to see if it works. Cross our fingers, you guys. Cross your fingers. Oh, not sure if you can see, but water is spraying out right there. Can y'all see that? Okay. The water is definitely spraying, and I don't think... Oh, it's spraying on me. Hold on. The water is definitely spraying. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is spraying. There we go. So it is spraying all the little tiny holes. Water is spraying out of all the little tiny holes. Even all the way back here, it is reaching, it's spraying too. Because of the light, you guys can see. Hopefully you can. I'm hoping. Just know it's spraying, y'all. It is spraying all the way back here. The camera is not picking it up because it is a very fine mist. But yeah, it's going all the way around. All the way around my lilac tree. She's getting sprayed. Let me see. Yep. It's a little bit lighter over here though. It is a little bit lighter over here, which I don't mind. I guess because I turned it too much. But it's getting sprayed on over here too. It is getting sprayed on over here. All the way down here. The water is spraying. Y'all, if you are confused, if you have anxiety about setting up irrigation in your garden beds, this product is for you. As you guys can see, I set it up in the front garden bed and I turned it on and it works. I don't know if you guys can really see the water squirting out of it because it's like a fine mist of water squirting out, and I was trying to adjust the camera settings, but the water was squirting out in a fine mist in all different directions. Just water here, water there. I love it. I am happy with the function of it, and I'm happy with how easy it was to install. I am happy with it. Now the only con I have is the color. I cannot, like, the color is like throwing me off because I do like an aesthetically beautiful garden, and it's just this, you can tell that there's a hose in the garden. I wish they made it in black. Like, it would have been so perfect because you wouldn't see it as much, it wouldn't stand out. But I'm thinking I'm willing to sacrifice and compromise the look of it for the ease of how it will make my life easier, where I don't have to stand and water that garden bed for about half an hour or so in the morning, and sometimes morning and afternoon, depending on the weather, depending on how hot it is. But other than that, y'all, for the price, I love it. I think it was a good price, and how easy it was. Like, there was no confusion. All you have to do is lay it down flat and push the pins in. The stakes. You just push it in and it holds it in, and that's it. You attach it to your faucet, your hose, not your faucet, we have something named the spigot. You attach it to that and you're done. You turn it on. Now you can also get a timer to attach to it so that it can automatically come on when you're traveling on vacation or if you're not home. But for me, I don't need the timer right now. Maybe down the line, but I don't mind just getting up, going out in the morning, turning on the faucet, turning the faucet on, and let it be. And then I could be back here, watering back here while that's being taken care of. So I am happy with the purchase. It's just the color. The color is throwing me off, and I don't know if I will be that bothered by the color. But for the peace of mind, for the ease, and for the price, I think the price is pretty good. I am happy. Very happy with my purchase. Well, if you guys have any questions, definitely ask me in the comment section. The link will also be below in the description bar as well. And if you guys have any suggestions or if you know of anything better, then definitely hit me up in the comment section as well. I think I covered everything, right? I think so. I think I got it. Well, that's it, you guys. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys in the comment section.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.